Standing tall in the heart of Tokyo, Tokyo Tower is an iconic symbol of Japan's post-war rebirth and cultural optimism. Built in 1958 and heavily inspired by Paris's Eiffel Tower, its striking white and orange lattice structure lights up the night sky with seasonal illuminations. Beyond the tower itself, it sits adjacent to the historic Zojoji Temple, creating a dramatic contrast between ancient Buddhist tradition and modern metallic innovation. From its observation decks, visitors can gaze across the dense urban jungle of Minato Ward, taking in views of the sleek Abide Hills complex, Roppongi's vibrant nightlife district, and the bustling Tokyo Bay waterfront, with Mount Fuji looming gracefully in the distance on clear days. Rising majestically like a giant, futuristic bamboo stalk above Taiwan's capital, Taipei 101 was once the world's tallest skyscraper and remains a marvel of engineering. Designed to withstand ferocious typhoons and frequent earthquakes with its massive golden-tuned mass damper, this green landmark seamlessly blends traditional Asian aesthetics with modern sustainability. The tower anchors the ultra-modern Zinai district, a lively commercial hub filled with upscale shopping malls, luxury hotels, and high-end dining. From the top, guests enjoy staggering panoramic views of the sprawling Taipei Basin, framed by the lush green ridges of Xiangshan, Elephant Mountain, and the winding Keelung River that cuts through this energetic metropolis. Dominating the skyline of Auckland, New Zealand, the Sky Tower stands at 328 meters, as the tallest man-made structure in the Southern Hemisphere. Beyond offering thrill-seekers high-altitude adventures like the exhilarating sky jump and glass floor observation walks, it serves as the vibrant center of the city's entertainment district. Surrounding the tower's base is the bustling downtown core, leading directly down to the scenic Waitemata Harbor and the bustling Viaduct Basin, famous for its waterfront dining and mega yachts. From the observation deck, you can admire a unique volcanic landscape featuring Hauraki Gulf, the iconic volcanic cone of Rangitoto Island, and rolling green hills that stretch toward the horizon. Soaring proudly over Sydney's central business district, the Sydney Tower Eye is the city's tallest structure and a defining element of its iconic skyline. Perched atop the Westfield shopping complex, its brilliant golden observation bucket provides a soaring vantage point right above the bustling urban grid. The tower overlooks some of Australia's most famous landmarks, including the historic Queen Victoria Building, the expansive green lawns of Hyde Park, and the sparkling blue waters of Sydney Harbour. Looking out toward the horizon, visitors can spot the sails of the Sydney Opera House, the massive arch of the Harbour Bridge, and on clear days, the distant blue mist of the UNESCO-listed Blue Mountains. Constructed for the 1889 World's Fair, Paris's Eiffel Tower stands as arguably the most recognizable architectural masterpiece on Earth. Designed by Gustave Eiffel, this intricate wrought iron lattice tower rises elegantly beside the Seine River, glowing each evening with thousands of twinkling lights. The tower is embedded in a breathtaking classic landscape, anchored by the sprawling manicured lawns of the Champ de Mars on one side, and the grand fountains of the Trocadero Gardens across the river. From its observation platforms, visitors can view Paris's harmonious Haussmannian boulevards, gazing toward iconic historic sites like the Arc de Triomphe, the Louvre Museum, and the hilltop Sacré-Cœur Basilica in Montmartre. Rising 368 meters above the lively Alexanderplatz, the Berlin TV Tower was constructed in the 1960s as a dramatic symbol of East German technological prowess. Today, its iconic metallic sphere represents a unified Berlin and serves as the city's most prominent visual anchor. Located in the heart of the historic Mitte district, the tower sits adjacent to major cultural landmarks such as the red brick Rotes Rathaus, the iconic Berlin Cathedral, and the world-renowned Museum Island. From its slowly revolving sphere restaurant, guests can enjoy stunning 360-degree panoramas of the Spree River, the trendy neighborhoods of Friedrichshain and Kreuzberg, and the historic Brandenburg Gate standing in the distance. Antoni Gaudi's awe-inspiring masterwork in Barcelona, the Sagrada Família features magnificent organic towers that stretch dramatically toward the sky. Under construction for well over a century, these intricate spires synthesize Gothic grandeur with nature-inspired surrealism and revolutionary structural engineering. The basilica rises prominently in the bustling Eiffel district, known for its iconic octagonal city blocks and elegant modernist avenues. Surrounding the church are charming tree-lined plazas where visitors gather to admire its complex facades. From the upper tower bridge walkways, one can absorb sweeping urban vistas that stretch from the forested Gulsarala Hills all the way down to the sun-kissed beaches of the Mediterranean Sea. Built as the glowing centerpiece for the 1962 World's Fair, Seattle's Space Needle is a celebrated triumph of mid-century modern design. Shaped like an alien flying saucer resting on futuristic tripod legs, it defines the Pacific Northwest silhouette. The tower anchors Seattle Center, an expansive cultural park that houses the colorful Chihuly Garden and Glass Museum, the Frank Gehry Design Museum of Pop Culture, Mopop, and the Pacific Science Center. From its open-air deck and world's first rotating glass floor, visitors take in dramatic views of downtown skyscrapers, Elliott Bay's bustling ferry traffic, the shimmering waters of Lake Union, and the majestic snow-capped peak of Mount Rainier. Dominating the Toronto skyline at an astounding height of 553 meters, the CN Tower stood as the world's tallest freestanding structure for over 3 decades. Completed in 1976 as a telecommunications hub, it remains an enduring symbol of Canadian engineering excellence. Situated along the shore of Lake Ontario, the tower anchors downtown Toronto's vibrant entertainment district. It is directly adjacent to major sports complexes like the Rogers Centre Stadium and Scotiabank Arena, as well as the family-friendly Ripley's Aquarium of Canada. From its observation decks, visitors are treated to incredible vistas overlooking Toronto's bustling financial core, the idyllic Toronto Islands, and the vast expanse of the lake stretching toward the horizon. Soaring above Rotterdam's skyline, the Euromast is a masterpiece of Dutch post-war modernist architecture. Originally built in 1960 for the Floriade Flower Exhibition, its height was later pushed to 185 meters with the addition of the Space Tower extension. Surrounded by the peaceful paths of Het Park, one of the city's historic green spaces, it offers a serene retreat right next to the vibrant city center. From the top, visitors enjoy a 360-degree panorama over Europe's largest seaport, observing massive cargo vessels navigating the New Wamos River, alongside modern architectural icons like the famous cubic houses, the sleek Erasmus Bridge, and the historic Museum Park. Inspired by the Eiffel Tower, the Blackpool Tower has stood as a beloved symbol of British seaside culture and Victorian architecture since its grand opening in 1894, reaching 158 meters above the Lancashire coast. This impressive red brick and iron lattice structure houses historic attractions within its base, including the opulent Blackpool Tower Ballroom and a legendary circus arena. The tower sits along the famous Golden Mile Promenade, looking directly over the sandy beaches and bustling piers of the Irish Sea. From its high glass-floored viewing platform, guests can look out over a landscape filled with classic amusement rides, neon lights, and coastal resort entertainment that has welcomed generations of holidaymakers. Soaring dramatically over Prague's picturesque skyline, the Žižkov television tower is globally renowned for its futuristic, high-tech architectural style and striking appearance. Constructed during the late Soviet period, the tower's steel pillars are famously adorned with giant, bronze sculptures of crawling babies created by acclaimed Czech artist David Cerny. Standing in the Bohemian Žižkov district, a trendy neighborhood celebrated for its lively cafes, historic pubs, and art scene, it presents a wild contrast to Prague's classic cobblestone streets. From its elevated cabins, visitors get an incredible 360-degree view of the city of 100 spires, gazing across to the historic Prague Castle, Charles Bridge, and the winding Vltava River. Rising 252 meters above Austria's capital, the Danube Tower is the tallest structure in the country and an iconic landmark of 1960s modernism. Located in the heart of Danube Park, Donau Park, the tower is surrounded by vast green meadows, scenic ponds, and tranquil walking trails, creating a relaxing getaway from the city center. The surrounding area features the modern City Complex, Vienna International Center, and the expansive new Danube Recreation Island. From the tower's open-air observation decks and rotating pan-Scandinavian restaurant, guests are treated to sweeping views over the winding Danube River, the historic spires of Stephansdom in Vienna's inner city, and the distant rolling green vineyards of the Vienna woods. Reaching an impressive height of 368 meters, the Riga Radio and TV Tower is the tallest structure in the European Union and an extraordinary architectural achievement. Located on Zakusala Island in the middle of the Daugava River, its futuristic three-legged design looks like a massive rocket preparing for space launch. The surrounding island provides a quiet, natural riverfront environment right next to Latvia's bustling capital. From the tower's high observation level, visitors can admire vast vistas that encompass the UNESCO-listed Old Town of Riga with its distinctive red-tiled roofs, the striking modern structure of the National Library of Latvia, and the distant waters of the Gulf of Riga melting into the horizon. Located in the tranquil Royal National City Park of Stockholm, Kaknäs is a classic 155-meter brutalist concrete tower built in the late 1960s. For decades, it served as the vital central hub for Sweden's national TV and radio broadcasting networks. Unlike towers located in dense urban cores, Kaknäs is immersed in a pristine natural environment surrounded by lush forests, peaceful walking paths, and the scenic waterways of the Stockholm archipelago. From its observation deck, visitors can gaze back across the water to see the charming colorful buildings of Gamla stan, Old Town, the impressive Royal Palace, and the sleek modern Scandinavian architecture that spreads across the city's connected islands.